Hello my lovely people, my family, how are you guys doing? So today being the 19th of December, we are all waiting for Christmas. I have only this 4,000 naira. I will go to nearby this small market at my side here to buy little food stuff so that I will make little soup with my 4,000 naira. Let's go. Hello, hope you guys are fine. Let's go there. Good morning, sir. Ah, you dey cut am big, dey cut am. Hold it like that, though. Okay. Yeah. Hello, so we are back from the market. I told you guys that I was going to the market with 4,000 naira to see if I can buy small food stuff to cook my soup. So when I got to the market, my money just finished and I cannot buy ugu, that pumpkin leaf. So I had to come down to this my side because we have water leaf here. I have to come down here to plug my water leaf. Yes. Say hello. Hello. Look at me, look at this phone. Say hello. Do you want like this? Hello. Say good morning, aunties and uncle. Do Mama, what is your name? Chinedu Olivia. Oni, what is your name? Onyinye Najiru. So you people are helping mommy to cook food, Shebi? Yeah. So I got this fish for 2,000 naira. I thought I would just get 1,500 naira fish, but I didn't see. So I got this one for 2,000 naira. 2,000. Maybe it's because of the Christmas that is approaching. That's why they sold this one 2,000 for me. So in my fish, I'm going to chop some onions. Abi dice. Which one? Should it be chopped or guys? What's the best English to use. So look at my 2,000 naira fish. So inside this fish, I'm going to cut onions. What is it? Eh? I add a little salt to it. Look at this pepper, grinded pepper, hot. So I'm going to add a little to it. I'm not adding much pepper because of my babies. If it is left for me and my husband, I will just add enough pepper. But because of my children, now just little. I'll just add little water to it. I bought this pepper for 200. I bought this grinded ogbono. 200 each, that is 400. No cube for 100 naira. I bought garri, look at garri, for 500. So our fish has been cooking, like half cooked. So inside our half cooked fish, I'm going to add this pepper. I added my pepper, chop it up with water for it to cook. So I'm adding water. So I'm going to go in with the grinded egusi. And this egusi, I grinded this egusi with crayfish. So we are going to go in with our grinded egusi. I stir. And I'm going in with our cube. I will be going in with salt to test. My salt to test. So see my ogbono. We'll be adding oil, red oil to it. You add red oil to ogbono. Then we'll be placing this thing on top of our soup so that it will heat. The heat will touch. So we are going to turn this thing. We are mixing ogbono with red oil together. You are going to mix it properly, thoroughly, evenly. Any word you want to use, you use. But you have to mix it. You now add it to your soup. With some, we are just with some red oil. Ogbono usually burn at the bottom of the pot, so you have to turn to avoid too much burning. To avoid too much burning, you have to turn. So we'll be going in with our with our water leaf. And we'll be adjusting with a little salt.